Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Birchbox unboxing for the month of July. And we have a card on top, products on the back, so I'm going to set that aside for a moment. And let's see what we got. Take 20% off discovery kits and limited edition boxes. There's a coupon code in case anyone wants it. And let's dive into it. So the first item we have is from MAC, and it's a lip, it says lip glass. It's a pretty color. I guess I'll open it because I think it's something I would use. A lot of times I don't like swatching items if I don't think I'm going to use it because that's gross and I don't want to waste it. I want to give it to someone. But this is a nice little tiny size, nice shade. I think I would definitely use that. It's a little sticky. I like that though. I know some people don't like that, but I do. So that is AC8, I guess, is the shade maybe. Interesting. Then we have Super Comb Prep and Protect. Cute little logo there. Some hair care. I know I've gotten stuff from that brand. I think I've gotten shampoo and conditioner before and I think I liked it, but it's been a while, so I'll give it another try. And then we have a Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser from Kiehl's. I will definitely use that. Pretty good sample size as well. And then from Dr. Jart, we have a priming moisturizer. Their products are pretty good. They're always like super tiny samples, but still happy to try it out. Then from Clarins, we have Wonder Perfect Mascara. I like that they kept it sealed, and I'm going to keep it sealed until I use it, so that way it doesn't dry out. And then we have a perfume sample. Typically don't like getting these, and they pretty much are never anything that I like the smell of. But let me test this one out. Not bad, but not something I personally would wear. But let's take a look at the card real quick. So it looks like a lot of these products are new to Birchbox. They have the Wonder Perfect Mascara, the Dr. Jart, the cleanser, the MAC, and it lists all the full-size prices. And a lot of times you can get these products on Birchbox, and there's always coupon codes and stuff, so I do like this subscription. So that's what came in my box. I got 6 items this month, and if you'd like to sign up for a subscription, I will have all the information below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.